you guys. Sun is shining, the lighting is perfect. We are in our hotel room, which is absolutely beautiful. The beautiful backlit behind me. We just got a welcome drink. It tastes amazing. A little bit of rum, a little bit of orange juice, maracuya juice, a little bit of mango juice. It's really sweet, but tastes great. Behind me, we have a lot of tropical trees, plants, the pool, the view. I'm loving from our balcony. The size of the room is giant and has a king size bed, which is amazing. I love it. The canopy bed is just like blowing my mind. The bathroom is giant too, and even has a vanity mirror and table, which is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm obsessed. It was one of them. We have the best table. It was raining in the morning a little bit, but luckily for us, right now weather is just perfect.
Hello. Today we woke up and decided, well actually I woke up and decided to look at many different things to do here. I came to the conclusion that there are about 7 different places, key iconic things to do, and we're going to do a couple of those today, including the monkey forest, but not really, like a wildlife reserve type thing. Not the zoo. The zoo didn't look very friendly to animals, so we're not going to go there. But this place looked fine. It had caves, has a lot of walking around to do. And then we might go to another cave, the north part of the island.
What a beautiful garden here, and there's a lot of roosters behind me and in front of me. We just went through the cave and we're gonna go explore the garden, and there's literally no one in here. That's kind of crazy. Okay guys, so our next stop was the Animal Flower Cave. Yeah, it's called Animal Flower Cave. And there is a restaurant up here on this reef. It's like a very pretty view here. And this is like a cliffside. You can see the water, and the menu is actually pretty big and has a lot of fresh food, seafood. So we visited a lot of places today, so we're kind of hungry. Also, we woke up super early, like 6:35. Started our day super early too, because the sunset here is pretty early as well, around 5:30. So we decided to take advantage of the day as much as possible. That's why we kind of like had our breakfast also super early. That's why our lunch is at 1. So after we eat, we decided we're gonna go to see that cave. You have to purchase a ticket, probably like somewhere around $15. Pretty much everything costs $15 entrance fee. And it says you can go there at your own risk. So there's a bird behind me. So yeah, we're gonna take that risk and we're gonna see the cave. How beautiful this is! This is the surf spot, guys. Because you can see the waves are crazy. So all the surfers are here, not on my side of the island where the hotel is. That's the beach. But swimming is not allowed because it's dangerous. Oh my god. So beautiful. Breakfast. Okay guys, we just came to see at Rihanna's house where she grew up. That's the area called St. James Bridgetown, and this is super pretty. So she was born here and she really liked to mention it in every interview. She also recorded a couple of music videos in the island because she loves it so much. Man Down and Cheers, her songs. So if you guys ever in Barbados, I would highly recommend the Sea Shed. Sea Shed, it's like a cafe restaurant with a beach view and the beach bar. So they have like a 10 in beds, umbrellas and everything. They have a cool variety of cocktails and mocktails, which I'm surprised by, because sometimes I don't want to drink alcohol and there is not a big variety of mocktails at all. So I'm pretty surprised, and the menu itself is pretty big too, like a lot of main courses, sharing plates. It's kind of crazy. We've been to so many places and this one probably has the biggest variety. We're gonna stay here and finally see the sunset because we've been pretty late every single day. We were also thinking that maybe after we eat our lunch/dinner, we might go back to the beach and actually enjoy our tanning time because we haven't been to the beach very much and every single day we were kind of late to the sunset, so maybe we can finally see the sunset from here. Working, eating.